Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with the NYX and the nude color. Girl, those eyebrows are no joke. They're so sharp. Ooh. And I like to pack this color, not too much, but enough to get the eyeshadow, because we're gonna do a lot of blending, because it's a fall, you know, and all everything. You want to make it sure it's nice and blended. You guys have this palette. You guys can go ahead and use it what I'm gonna use, which is this one. Use the shades in browns. And if not, if you guys don't have this one, you are more welcome to use any brown that it looks like closer to this color right here. You can use the color Fuse, which is this one right here. If you have that one, that color, you can use that one. The palette is gonna be this one. The Sultry palette, if you guys have it, you can use the color in Zing, or something like that. This one, or even this one. Something any regular browns would do the job for you guys. Morphe palette, the 350 matte. You can use any shades of brown from this ones. You can use this one, or this one is like the color that I'm gonna use on the other palette. So you can use any browns for this. This is a perfect season to use all these beautiful shades in here, because it is reflects the background, and it goes good for the fall. Even the Jaclyn Hill, the Jaclyn Hill palette, you can even use something like this colors, or like that, or even this ones right here. You can use all the browns and stuff like that, because I mean it is fall and you want to use it, show off your beautiful browns, the reds and stuff like that. So as for me, I'm going to use the Mickey Mouse palette, and I'm going to use this color right here with a large flat fluffy brush that almost going to cover all my eye. This one is from Morphe M208. I'm going to pack it really good on my eyes. So get a good amount of that. And this palette is amazing. All the colors, I love them, you guys. They're super, super good. So all you're going to do is just kind of pack it. Do not blend yet. Make sure your eye gets nice and packed with the color. And then slowly, you're going to start bringing it up. So it can give you, erase the harsh lines. It can give you like a fading effect. You see how it's showing it right here? All you're doing is just tapping. You're not blending at all. And just keep doing it till you get that shading effect on the top. Don't be afraid to go all the way up, because I mean we are going to use another color. And I'm just going to get some more product from the Mickey Mouse palette and just kind of tapping. And then from here, don't really worry if it's not actually matching, because we are going to blend in the other color with it on top of the brow. My favorite Eco Tools blending brush, and it looks like this. This brush is amazing, guys, because it does the job. Like, it blends everything really good. And then on that, I'm gonna go in with this one right here, the second one from the Mickey Mouse palette. It's almost gone too from the center because how much I use it. I'm just gonna kind of slowly start blending in with the brown, giving you that fading effect. Guys, honestly, I have never, like, I love all my palettes, but look how beautiful it transfers the colors with it. Like, it doesn't give you a harsh line. It blends right through with it. So in here, you can play with it, and you can see, like as right here, I'm bringing it down slowly. It's your choice. If you want a high eyeshadow, then you can go ahead and do it. But for me, I want to give it that perfect blend. Afterwards, I kind of clean it with my towel, because I know it gets a little bit of the brown in there. And then I get some more. I swipe 2 swipes on it, tap it once, and transfer it. I know the eyebrows are getting a little bit messed up, but then we're going to go in with the Maybelline Grey Lash in clear with the same brush. Swipe it once on the Mickey Mouse palette and start, or again, and start bringing it up slowly, not too much. So for my eyeliner, for the top one, I'm going to go with my e.l.f. in the color Jet Black. Why did it twitch? Did it just twitch on me? down under waterline, it's gonna camouflage the background, but my eyeliner pencil from oh, you can kind of see the green, the CoverGirl, no, I'm sorry, Maybelline Define Align, and it's a black one, a super cute eyelash curler. I'm gonna try this lashes, the JB, because I want it look full, the look. But before I do that, before anything else, I'm gonna use my white eyeliner, well, my white line. And everybody has been asking me, what eyeliner do you use that it doesn't crack or anything? I still use it even though the Halloween is over. I always use this palette right here so that I can get that white look. Run this one, they're water activated, and this is how I get all my colors. This is a green one, but it's camouflaging the background. But this is the colors that I use. Even the black one also, because since I have oily skin, for some reason it starts to kind of crack on me. So those are the colors that I've been using every time you see me with a liner right here, super sharp, and it's super perfect, is because of those. So if you guys want to get your hand of those, you can go ahead and do so. I even have the big palette that I had on the other video that I have mentioned, where to get it and stuff like that, and it has multiple colors. And I mean, it works good. It's not just for Halloween. You can also do different looks and stuff like that with them. I'm gonna use literally is the one from NYX. This is the one that I used to use, the white eyeliner, but it will crack on me. So this is how I got it now. Instead of throwing it away, this is how I use them, with the yellows, the orange, the red, whatever color. You can always use those. So I'm gonna have my hands super steady for this ones, because if I mess up, guys, moment of truth. Literally, I have to do this step every time I do this because I'm scared that I mess up. So the brighter you want on the white, you definitely do want to keep getting some more access from that white paint, because before I would do one swipe, and then when I was at work, it will start already shaded in with the color on the bottom. So make sure you get more color, more white. The access that I have done it with the leftover, I just kind of get it more thinner. And what I like to do on my eyelashes, every time I put them on, I always curl them. No matter what, I always curl them 5 times, so then it can be nice and nice and curl. And then I hold them for 10 seconds. Then I let it go. Let it go. And then you'll see how beautiful they come nice and curl. You see how beautiful it gives you like the full look, very glamorous, and your face stands out more. Okay, so now let's go back with foundation. I'm gonna use another foundation for the video, but I'm not gonna mention it because I don't want you guys to get it, because it does crack on you. But the one that I always use is this one right here, Maybelline Super Stay. My color is gonna be 220 Natural Beige. This one makes your face look flawless, like an airbrush. So I forgot which video is it that I did on the look that I put on my foundation. I show you how to do it, so please get that one. I mean, I heard a lot of people that it doesn't work for them, but for me it works perfect. And the way how I do all this, everything, set my face and everything, it does work for me. Okay, so before anything else, or well, I'm gonna kind of do my eyebrows. I'm gonna get my brush pencil that I use for my eyebrows all the time, and just gonna kind of slowly start doing the line all over again. top and bottom so it can kind of come back to life. You see how that one looks? So there you guys have my eyebrows, my beautiful eyebrows, girl. They on fleek. Okay, and then now that we're done with that one, I'm gonna use my foundation. Let me just put foundation, contour, and everything else, and I'll be back with you guys because you guys don't need to see how I put it on and everything. So, and then before everything, I wanted to put this one out here, this step, because I feel like it's extremely important. If there's times, because this has happened to me many a times, if you have put on a lot of contour and it looks super dark, it's okay. Just go with your translucent powder, swipe it with the same brush, and just kind of start. You see how it's erasing those harsh lines? Because you don't want too much that it's gonna be like, oh my gosh, girl, where are you going with those dark lights? I mean, those dark lines. So same as your nose, and just kind of blend everything together. So vintage it is. Even you can even go with the black, so that way you can kind of stand out more your eyes, however you want, or stuff like that. But for me, I'm gonna use from NYX Vintage Retro, and it's gonna be the number 12. And as well, I'm gonna use the pencil so that it can kind of this one, the vintage as well, so it can stay there a little bit longer. So that is it, you guys, for this look. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna kind of step behind, or maybe not. Ooh. So that's it for this look, guys. Very glamorous style look. It can even do the Thanksgiving as well. So you guys can choose which one, or if there's a party, there's a Halloween. Whoa, Halloween, girl, it's done. If there's like a event going on, a wedding, a birthday party. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully you guys like this look as back as my background as well, because the leaves are starting to fall, starting to look beautiful. And we'll see you guys next time for the next video. Let's see what other looks I can create. I'm gonna do probably some red ones, some beautiful reds or stuff like that. Maybe orange as well. So we'll see you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys hit it with a thumbs up, and if you're not, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. And thank you so much for the love, for the shares, for everything you guys have done, the comments, the likes, everything. I admire you guys. Like, thank you for everything, guys. This is why I'm doing it for you guys. So thank you guys for following me, for supporting me, and those numbers are going up on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for each and every one of my fans, my supporters, everybody. So that is it, you guys. Hope you guys like this beautiful look, and don't forget to hit it with a thumbs up, guys. Bye bye.